New game we like to play called How Many Kicks. We tried it with the KTM. Now it's Schuper's turn with the Honda. You want to tell the people how you fucked up?
Not really.
So you gonna tell them yet?
Okay. So, I wanted to go fast. I went fast. There was a turn coming. I was going about 60. Ass end flew out from behind me, hit the ditch, and I did a tumbling into the field. Steering stem and the bars are smashed into the gas tank and it can't turn, so now we're gonna tie it to a tree and unbend it. Freshie. Tea. Yeah. That's how you know she's sealed tight. Damn. Bendy no more. Straight. You can do the turning. No more bend.
I'll do that.
Alright. Got the fan mount on here. And yes. Time to throw this in here. Although that hose I know is gonna be too small to fit on this, so we're just gonna try to force it. But yeah.
Perfect.
Yep, installed, done. Let's rip her. Start her up. can't. It pulls to the side too much, and it's still soft.
God dang. Get a hold of Super. He's doing house calls now. Hear the ponies on that thing.
Dude, see that? 4.0L. 40 llama.
This thing's got 40 llama powers. It takes about 6 vegetables.
Don't tell me.
I'm not telling you to, just suggesting something for you.
I thought I did that all the That's for squirrels. Oh, there's smoking apparatus up ahead. Look at the ball.
Hey, that's my daughter's ball.
Oh shit, where much further? Oh, it's in it. Why are you holding on to that other stick in your left hand?
Incense.
That's
a Jordan.
Hey, is that when he fell in the creek?
It's not mine though. I would have never rocked no fucking dusty ass new age Jordans like this. Call for an Uber.
I did. That's me.
Hey, I'm Gerald.
Cockney sandwich.
Take that. You'll need it.
Some people call me Abe Lincoln. Cause there ain't shit in my head.
Oh, my bad. My bad.
Okay. I really hope the steering wheel breaks.
I don't.
Yeah. You just ran over a chicken. It was a dead chicken.
Cool chicken.
Double tap. And we made it somehow.
Old trusty dusty pussy wagon.
Yep. I'm wearing a girl's hat.
Say what?
I'm wearing a girl's hat.